Guys, ready? 3, 2, 1, reveal.
Ooh, what's this?
He swapped back
Was
to
this the
Judgment.
same as before? I forgot what happened.
I went on Hash Wheel in which you beat me in D attack B attack deal.
All right, so we got some strategization going on.
All right. Wait, can I see him?
I'll put him right here.
Let me know when you guys are ready. Dude, I don't know what I look for. Dude, I don't know.
Let me know when you're both ready.
That's a tough one.
Ready?
Alright. Guys, ready? 3, 2, 1, reveal.
I think Almo has like the best kick. Yeah.
Guys, ready?
Let me practice.
3.
Practice.
Oh, my bad. You want another one?
Yeah.
You want another one?
Yeah.
You want
Yeah.
another one? No. I'm assuming you don't want another one. Alright, Blaze, ready?
Players ready?
Wait.
Oh, wait, were you judging or I judging? I don't know.
judge.
Oh, I'll judge. Blaze,
I'm
ready?
gonna just commentate.
3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Alrighty then. So, whoa, how's your shots going? Oh, damn.
You rematch it? Oh, okay. Let's go.
Blaze, ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That's 1-1.
No rematch.
Alright.
Alright, switch
We
or
missed
stay.
a self
stay.
KO.
Alright, he's staying.
Say.
Oh,
Just check. Average BDR check,
Yep.
Bowman.
What?
damn. Blaze, ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
So this is going to be a much more stamina-based matchup, and they're still attacking because it's GT. Everything's just the pinnacle of aggressiveness.
Yep.
It's kind of great, actually. But now we're just getting to some mellow shots, you know what I'm saying? Got the McDonald's colors in the
Bro, it's 1-1 right now, too, isn't it?
Yeah,
1-1,
1-1.
yeah.
Oh, my. I can't wait to hit 15 matches with 1-1, bro.
I can't believe me and Mega Hero tied 9 times.
I've never run into that rule.
Funny odds highs.
Dude, me and Old School tied
But
like
it was
16
like
times
it was
in a
like
row.
right before the
Because
tie
they did
rules.
used to have the
Oh.
rule.
So
like
I mean, not even right before. It was like a long time ago, and we had like 18 ties.
Crazy.
Literally.
That was master. It is 2-1.
Yeah, okay. I'll stay.
Wait, no, my bad. 2-1.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I figured out at the end.
So, he said no rematch?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're... My bad. It is 2 for Mr. Means right now.
I definitely. I had a counter for it. I just.
So, you ready?
it just-
3, 2, 1, let's shoot. That is 3-1. Rematch? No rematch.
No rematch.
Oh, wait.
Yeah,
Oh, you're
it didn't really work.
No.
No, he said no rematch.
Okay, I'll stay.
Say.
Is it like that?
I mean, like,
Go.
when you first saw
Players
that
ready?
combo, you were like,
3, 2, 1, let's shoot. Haven't gotten any funny KOs yet. I want to see those.
No.
Oh, that.
I will not
I-
let it
I-
happen. I've lost to Brandon once this tournament. I am not losing again. No, no offense to you, Brandon.
I was so- 'cause I was
Are you
like,
keeping your third place prize?
I know Double
It
is
depends on
bad,
what's
but
left.
it's supposed to have more stamina. Like, it's supposed to be
That's
next
true.
to have real, like,
You might keep it 3 still. I think I know what's going to be left though.
But it's
I'm going to be
technically
honest.
the
you're taking that chaos.
But I don't have it, so
Yeah.
like I have Soul Balkan. I just.
You want the BDR set?
I don't care which I get.
Oh, I thought.
Wait.
Yeah, no, I want the chaos set.
But I do have the set there. Whoa, what a matchup we got here.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah.
That's 3-2 for Mr. Means right now.
How new is your judgment?
He's staying.
I'll try it. I don't know.
Huh?
I've never tried it before.
I have 4.
Oh.
I've never tried it.
Hey, maybe it pays off.
I know. Maybe it pays off. I don't know.
I thought he was going to play
I
Trigger.
really,
Let me
yeah.
just.
You can keep them. He would probably sell for a lot when we go later down.
I have like.
I'm doomed. I'm actually
The only
doomed.
ones I only
One
have
more
are
for
these.
confidence.
I have like 3 Union and Killing.
Okay, that's. Yeah, that's okay.
Good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Damn. Thank God.
Ah.
Oh.
I want to see his bursts. I want to see his clicks after. That's 3-3.
0.
Bruh. Rematch? No rematch.
No rematch.
I'll stay.
Oh, is he going to swap now or no?
I'll stay.
Oh, boy.
Oh, okay.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. We're relaunching that one. And it was also snipe. Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That's 4-3.
No rematch?
No rematch.
I'll stay.
Stay?
I'm gonna save my space until the next match. I'll just
Oh,
probably
you're
steal your
staying.
footage.
Sure.
Or- I can't steal Red Ninja because it's copyrighted, but.
Players ready.
Oh, yeah, you
3, 2, 1, go shoot.
They'll come to my door.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah.
The pendulum launch?
Oh, yeah.
Pendulum launch.
Only if he gets to the
Are we really going to 4-4 again?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
I have
Decide they
to.
wanna kill
I have to go the distance. Rocky,
Wait.
Rocky,
Wait.
Rocky Balboa.
Wait. If you win,
No, I didn't
is it
get there
4-3 or is it 4-4?
4-4.
Well, then again,
4-4.
it's also in the video.
And he won, so my bad. I wasn't paying attention when I checked the footage, so it's 4-4 now.
Okay, so.
And then all of a sudden,
So- No,
Okay,
it's not even that.
switching.
and then also you're.
Huh?
It's just that somebody, the like fourth
Okay,
seed dropped
I'll
out.
Huh?
So it went from like
Alright.
me being
I'm not allowed
lined
to
up
talk,
with,
so.
like,
Alright, players ready?
to being like
Or-
lined up with
I'll
chaos.
do one. I'll do one touch one.
I mean, I guess if you want to switch now, you can still switch.
Actually,
I think it was-
I'll do one more. I'm gonna stick with
But like,
that.
Okay.
Derek and Elmo were not like, why can't
Wait,
you just
actually,
full Red Ninja?
Wait, hold on.
Oh, you want to choose something different? We haven't started yet, so I think it should be fun.
That's the thing, I don't like Blanco Robin because like, it's only constant.
No, he's staying? Alright. And I think he's staying too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let me just.
Test launch again?
4-4. Distance.
Players ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Whoa.
Wait.
I believe that was a KO. I'm just gonna let it play out and we'll watch it after.
Yeah, I think it's about to.